Hello everyone, my name is Elliot Greenwood. Welcome back. In this video I'm going to create my own character that I designed for myself in PixelArt. Now before I start I want to give you a few updates about my ongoing life. The whole summer was pretty much wasted. I didn't upload anything, which is not that good, but lots of things have happened. First of all, I received a new PC with latest specs and all that, so it will be very useful for game development and all that stuff. Second thing is that I started a uni game development, specifically coding. Obviously a lot of time will be chopped off from me, but once we're gonna start developing games I will start uploading a lot more content. So at the moment, since we are not doing much, I decided to finally get back on this YouTube channel and actually start working on it, continue developing my skills. And that's pretty much it. I am aware of the Unity controversy, what terrible decisions they made, but I probably won't gonna stop using a Unity engine for at least 2D games. So yeah, nevertheless, let's just begin. Now I have no image referencing at all, so I will try to get this whole shape using my imagination. So first we need just to get a basic figure. So I got a basic shape. So I already added some spikes which will be representing like a wooden armor type of a thing. As the proportions, I think I managed to pull out like the similar sizes and lengths. So that's good. This arm has a fist, this one is the fingers, so showing off nature bending abilities, which is my character is about. Now to show you what I actually mean, I have an image here. And this is created by my own hands, so this is what I mean by nature bending abilities. Is basically this character can manipulate the plants and the wood, reshaping them however he wants, and just use them as either like a weapon or armor. It just has this kind of a cool glowing effects as well around, depending on how much energy this character has. It's just basically my own created fictional character. That's the main reference I have at the moment. That's the general outcome I'm expecting in this pixel art. So, since we got the body done, we can actually start and working around it. My overall idea is to make this character barefooted. He's a nature-based person. Then the legs will be probably wrapped with like vines and stuff and covered in some chunks of wood armor. Here it's gonna be full body plate, body plate, and this arm probably will be just wrapped with vines to show this character can manipulate and bend the plants and nature. Let's just start working on it, I guess. So I'm gonna start first from the chest because I wanna know how to go outwards from all these points. There we go, the chest piece is done. It doesn't look as good, but it looks pretty good enough. It looks like a heavy armor, even though I would like to have it more as lighter, I guess, armor, or medium type armor. Clearly looks good. These darker spots to basically give this shading of the wood, and it looks like it's made out of wood with some infused magical stuff. From further away it looks pretty good, but I just want to add a couple of these down here. From this part now I can just start working to whichever direction I want to. So now I'm just going to add a left arm. Left arm is finished. Lots of vines, and I didn't know what to do with these arms here, so I decided to make like a vine claw instead. The idea behind glowing parts is that these glowing parts are turned into like a very sharp and very strong plant material. Not real, obviously, but it's just the way this character is designed. I guess this idea sort of came from Terraria, Flora fight from Terraria, if I'm pronouncing it right. The material is pretty strong and it's based off plants, so something like this. That's the whole idea. The right arm will be obviously very easy. right arm is finished, and I decided instead of making a normal human hand, I gave him arm made completely out of nature material, because I decided to create like this tiny lore that he lost his arm. At the moment he's just using this wooden arm as a replacement basically. And I think it's pretty cool because this part is joined by the green biomass, and then there's wood chunks, and then again connected with the wine. Realistically it would be like a multiple intertwined wines that connect from limb to limb. But obviously in pixel art it's hard to show as much. It turned out pretty good. Now we can jump onto the leg. So he has a bare foot, and most of his leg is covered in wooden armor. Here he has green pants, because that's the dark green pants basically. It would make more sense if this was more exposed. So that would be a knee, wood going around the shaven calf, and then just around the thigh. Now we need to work on the left leg. So now that I have other leg complete, I can start working on the head itself. There you go. It really is hard to get details correct. That's the reference I have. As you can see, there's lots of things that I can't add. It's quite difficult to make this kind of hair as well. So now the character looks like this. So the last thing I'm going to add is just a little bit of grass. And there we go. We have ourselves a somewhat nice looking character. The body looks pretty good, but the head part didn't turn out to be the best. That's the character named Elliot Greenwood. Probably doesn't help much the fact that the face is merging together with the chest, but that's the general idea. Of course, if it was a proper 3D model, the model itself would come out a lot cleaner. My favorite part of this is the arm, pieces of wood combined with the wine and making a proper limb that actually looks clean and good. So this is my attempt of making my own character in pixel art. Clearly, due to lack of detail, lack of space, I can't perform much detail, so it looks a bit weird at some places. Maybe next time I will try to do this attempt and just see how it will turn out again. So yeah, this is Elliot Greenwood, nature bender character that I designed and created for myself. Probably someday in the future this whole character will be implemented in some kind of a game. But this is a character that I keep developing lore for this character, so clearly there's like a missing arm already. Now some might say this is basically Groot in human form. Well, not exactly. Sure, the idea might be the same, but there's more to this character. In terms of content, I will start uploading a lot more soon, because I have planned out some things that I want to cover and upload. So thanks for watching. I'm really glad to be back, and I really should be back. I should be working on this YouTube channel. All the results seem to be very, very promising. Other than that, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Keep your creativity levels as high as possible.